And the Supreme Court of India has overturned a 2008 order by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission that had capped interest rates on overdue credit cards payment at 30% per annum. What does this actually mean for the consumers? Let's go across to my colleague Aarti, who's there in the newsroom at the moment. Aarti, just give us the details of what this actually means.
Right, the Supreme Court has now overturned this decision by the NCDRC, which is actually a consumer dispute redressal body that in fact was allowing a cap of 30% on credit card overdue payments and the interest on that, in fact. Now, what has happened is that the Supreme Court has said there can be no limit of 30% and has overturned this decision. Now, this comes as a relief for banks because banks have been arguing that only the RBI could regulate interest rates on these issues. Now, what exactly was the 2018 decision? The NCDRC had said that there must be a cap of 30% on overdue payments interest of credit cards, otherwise cited that there are consumer issues in terms of exploitation of consumers, which was what was cited by the NCDRC. Now, on the other hand, now the Supreme Court has removed that cap. What this means for consumers is that they will have to ensure that their payments are done on the due date, or there might be fees that are levied by their banks, and it could vary from bank to bank. So it is advised that customers will have to speak to their banks or take a look at the terms and conditions of each of the individual banks as well to understand what the interest rates on overdue payments of credit cards would be from now on.